Hello everyone and welcome back to learning about measuring capacity. Yesterday we asked you to have a look around your house and to see what objects you could measure using capacity. How many cups of water could you put into different things? I hope you had fun looking around your house and measuring the capacity. Today we're going to continue measuring capacity, but this time we're going to have a look at some pictures. Are you ready? Do you have your paper and your pencil? Let's get started. So question 1, we have some different containers and we have some different words. What we're going to do is on your paper, I'd like you to write number 1 for question 1, and we have the different words. We have empty, we have half full, full, nearly empty, and nearly full. I would like you to write down these words and to draw the correct cup. You can see all the cups at the top. Now they're all mixed up. I want you to write the word and to draw the correct cup. So empty, you're going to write the word empty and choose the empty cup and draw it. Half full, you're going to write the words half full. You're going to choose the cup which is half full and you're going to draw it. And do the same please for full, nearly empty and nearly full. You can pause the video now while you finish question 1. Okay, question 2. Now, a cup has been used as a unit of measure. So this person has got a cup and has filled up the bottle. How many cups did it take to fill up the water bottle? So on your sheet, I'd like you to write 2 for question 2. And then I'd like you to write this sentence at the bottom. The capacity of the water bottle is, and then you have to write the number of cups and then write the word cups. So you're going to copy the sentence, but instead of the line, you are going to count how many cups have been used to measure the bottle. Pause the video now while you fill in the answer. Okay, question 3. A cup has been used as a unit of measure. So this time it's not a bottle, it's a kettle. And it looks like it's a bit bigger than the bottle. So again, what you're going to do is going to write 3 for question 3. And you're going to copy this sentence at the bottom. The capacity of the kettle is cups. How many cups? Count them and then write the sentence filling in the number on the line. Question 4. A cup has been used as a unit of measure. The capacity of the fish tank is cups. Now you're going to write number 4 and you're going to write this sentence at the bottom. Instead of the line, you're going to count the cups and write it on the line. How many cups of water do you think it took to fill that fish tank? Pause the video now while you find your answer. Okay, question 5, we're getting a bit tricky now. It takes 2 cups to fill 1 mug. So look at the top, we have 2 cups, 2 of the smaller cups, to fill 1 mug. So if you take 1 cup and you pour the water in, and then you take another cup and pour the water in, the mug will be full. How many cups do you think it will take to fill 2 mugs? So think about it. If it takes 2 cups to fill 1 mug, how many will it take to fill 2 mugs? Do you need to do plus or do you need to do minus? What do you think? When you're finished that question, have a look at the rest. We have 3 mugs, 4 mugs, and 5 mugs. So if you figured out how to find 2 mugs, see if you can use that same method to find 3 mugs, 4 mugs, or 5 mugs. This is a bit of a challenge now, so if it's a bit too tricky, don't worry. I want everyone to try and find the first question, find 2 mugs. But 3, 4, and 5, if you think you can do it, I think you should challenge yourself. But if you can't do it, don't worry. Okay, our next question, question 6. It takes 5 cups to fill 1 teapot. So for every 1 teapot, it's going to be 5 cups. If we have 2 teapots, it's going to be 5 cups plus 5 cups. 5 cups and 5 cups. So how many cups will it take to fill 2 teapots, 3 teapots, 4 teapots, and 5 teapots? So the number is getting bigger, so we are going to be adding. So for 1 teapot, it's 5 cups. For 2 teapots, it's 5 plus 5. For 3 teapots, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5. For 4 teapots, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. If you want, you can try and use your skip counting by 5 for this question. See if you can fill in the answers for question 6. Okay, question 7. Here we have a question, but I think someone has made a mistake. Can you find the mistake? It takes 5 mugs to fill 1 bucket. To fill 5 buckets, it will take 20 mugs. What do you think? Do you think that's correct, or do you think there's a mistake? On your paper, I'd like you to write number 7 for question 7 and see if you can write down what the mistake is. Okay, our last question today is question 8. So, look at the glasses. It takes this many glasses to fill a jar. How many glasses would it take to fill 5 jars? So you're going to count the glasses and then you have to add that number 5 times. Just like we did in the previous questions, have a look and see if you can figure it out. Now, some of these questions were a little bit tricky. We had a lot of problem solving today, but just remember, once you think about the question and you find out how to do it, doesn't matter the numbers, it's the same method for each of the questions. So I'm very, very excited to see the boys and girls who've decided to challenge themselves today and answer the questions. I hope you've had fun learning about capacity. Don't forget, do your neat writing, write it down on a piece of paper and take a picture and put it in your Class Dojo portfolio. See you tomorrow, boys and girls.